Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your digital room key isn't working or the Disneyland mobile app wants updates, the issue is usually caused by Bluetooth or account settings, an incomplete hotel check-in, poor internet connectivity, insufficient device storage, or a temporary software problem. Fortunately, most issues can be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to solve these problems. So first thing first you can do is check your hotel reservation. Like if your digital room key isn't working, open the Disneyland app, sign into your Disney account, open your hotel reservation and verify your room has been assigned and that online check-in is complete. You can also check Bluetooth and internet, like turn on Bluetooth, make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is enabled, and disable airplane mode if it's turned on. Stand near your hotel room door before trying again. You can also restart the Disneyland app, like if the key still doesn't work, close the Disneyland app completely, reopen it and sign in again if prompted, and try and log in your room once more. Fix app updates problems, like if the app wants updates, open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Disneyland, check whether an update is available, make sure you have enough free storage on your device, and verify your internet connection before trying again. Most update failures are caused by storage or connection issues. You can also restart your device, like if the update or digital room key still isn't working, restart your phone, reopen the Disneyland app and try updating the app again if necessary. Then, a device restart often clears temporary software issues. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.